African tourism is on the rise, but not yet to the levels seen in Europe or Asia. Ironically, intra-African tourism is lower compared with visitors coming from outside the continent.
There are challenges that hinder the development of tourism here. For example, airline flights don't reach all the capitals of African countries, and roads between states are still in poor conditions, and the railway system doesn't link many countries together. There's a lot of work needed on infrastructure. This is one of the vital reasons for having a continental organization to tackle these issues.
From this concept came the idea of establishing the African Tourism Organization. It's an entity that will study the challenges facing African tourism and form a strategy to help African countries attract more visitors from within the continent.
It's very important to have such an institution to coordinate between African states and present Africa to the rest of the world in a professional manner, like the Arab Tourism Organization. It will tap investment opportunities between African countries and lead efforts to attract investments in tourism companies, travel agencies, and constructing hotels. It can also help create programs for tourists to visit several African countries in every trip.
Making use of the strong infrastructure and experience in Egypt, the institution will also be providing training courses to upgrade the skills of tourism workers and executives from different African countries. The aim is to make Africa an attractive and lucrative destination for foreign visitors and become a strong competitor in the international market. The board of directors and structure of the organization have not been formed yet, but Cairo, being the chair of the African Union at the moment, has been chosen as the host of the headquarters of this organization. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.